Hello and welcome to Smart NYSE Investing. If you are interested in understanding the stock market, learning how companies grow, and identifying investing opportunities, this channel is designed for you. Here we focus on simplifying investing concepts and helping beginners understand how the stock market works, particularly companies listed on the New York Stock Exchange, one of the largest and most influential stock exchanges in the world. Whether you are completely new to investing or looking to build a stronger foundation, this channel will guide you step by step. Purpose of the channel: many people want to invest in stocks but feel overwhelmed by financial terminology, complex charts, and endless market news. The objective of this channel is to make investing easier to understand by breaking down complex financial concepts into simple and practical insights. On this channel, we will focus on understanding how the stock market works, learning how to analyze companies, identifying long term investing opportunities, understanding financial statements and key financial metrics, exploring real companies listed on New York Stock Exchange. Instead of speculation or short term hype, the focus here will be on learning, analysis, and informed decision making. Why the New York Stock Exchange? The New York Stock Exchange is home to many of the world's most established companies across industries such as technology, healthcare, finance, energy, and consumer goods. These companies represent global economic activity and innovation. Understanding how these companies operate, how they generate revenue, and how investors evaluate them can help you develop a structured approach to investing. By studying companies listed on NYSE, investors can learn valuable lessons about business performance, financial strength, and long term growth strategies. What you will learn on this channel: the content of this channel will focus on several key areas. Stock market fundamentals. We will start from the basics, covering topics such as what stocks represent, exchange how stock exchanges function, why stock prices move, how investors participate in the market. These foundational concepts are essential. We will start from the basics, covering topics such as what stocks represent, how stock exchanges function, why stock prices move, how investors participate in the market. These foundational concepts are essential for anyone starting their investing journey. Second, understanding financial statements. One of the most important skills in investing is the ability to understand company financials. We will explore income statements, balance sheets, cash flow statements. These financial reports reveal how a company generates revenue, manages costs, and creates value for shareholders. Third, key financial ratios. Investors often evaluate companies using financial ratios such as price to earning ratio, return on equity, profit margins, debt levels. These indicators help investors assess whether a company is financially strong and whether its stock valuation appears reasonable. Number 4, company analysis. On this channel, we will also analyze real companies listed on the New York Stock Exchange. Each analysis will focus on the company's business model, revenue and profitability trends, financial stability, growth potential, key risk investors should consider. Revenue and profitability trends, financial stability, growth potential, key risks investors should consider. This approach will help viewers understand how investors evaluate businesses before making investment decisions. 5. Long term investment mindset. Another important topic we will explore is long term investing. Successful investing is rarely about quick gains, it often involves patience, discipline, and understanding the underlying strength of companies. By studying businesses and financial data carefully, investors can develop a structured and responsible approach to investing. Who this channel is for? This channel is designed especially for beginners who want to learn investing from the basics, individuals interested in understanding global companies, professionals who want to strengthen their financial knowledge, anyone curious about how the stock markets works. The global we will cover topics such as how the stock market works, the difference between major stock exchanges, how to start investing step by step, how to analyze companies using financial statements, real examples of stock analysis. Each video will focus on practical knowledge that helps viewers better understand investing concepts. If you are interested in learning more about investing, understanding businesses, and exploring opportunities in the stock market, this channel aims to support your learning journey. Thank you for watching the video on Smart NYSE Investing. If you find this content useful, consider subscribing and following the upcoming videos where we will begin exploring the fundamentals of the stock market and the companies that shape the global economy. I look forward to sharing this learning journey with you. Thank you.